Hi friends, welcome back to my channel and welcome to one of the most exciting videos of the year in my opinion. Mainly probably for me, but you guys always seem to love it as well. So this is my third year bringing you guys along as I do some Walmart and Target toy clearance shopping. If you don't know, every July they do a big discount on a bunch of toys. You have to walk up and down the toy aisles all around the store. July means that there is 6 months until December, so what a perfect way for them to kind of clear out space to bring in the new toys. And it's great for us because we get to get the new toys on a super sale. So I have with me my handy dandy little list here. I write down every kid that I have to buy for, and then of course my own kids. That way I can keep an eye out for all of their toys while I'm looking through the clearance section. This is a great way to save some money on Christmas, and I know it might seem early, but like I said, Christmas is 6 months away, and personally I start planning for Christmas basically the day after Christmas. It's an expense that you know is gonna come, you know you have to save for it, and if you can find ways to save some money on it, you might as well. This is gonna be a 2-part video. This part we are going to Walmart, and in the previous part we went to Target. So I will leave that video linked down below so you guys can check out what Target goodies there were, and we should have a haul at the end as well if there is anything good. Fingers crossed. Anyways, let's go shopping and see what good stuff we can find.
Smile that makes the sun rise. You make it shine, but I can see that you don't realize, and that's what made me fall in love. 'Cause you got style, the way your body makes my heart beat sound. It's amazing all the time. You are the only thing I need in life. Oh, I want you. You, I know it's alright. You read my mind, but I can see that you don't realize, and that's what made me fall in love. 'Cause you got style, the way your body makes my heart beat sound. It's amazing all the time. You are the only thing I need in life. Oh, I want you. We do this every day, we do this love for life. You got a smile that makes the sun rise. You make it shine, but I can see that you don't realize, and that's what made me fall in love. 'Cause you got if you want somebody else, who am I to judge? I've been thinking about you all the time, but that's alright. I'm starting to get used to it, think I'll survive. I met you in the summer, when you left it was cold. Said we loved one another.
I'm just staring at my walls and talking to myself now and then. I'll try to laugh, but I'll cry a bit as well. I was never any good at being away from you. I met you in the summer. When you left it was cold. Said we loved one another. Guess that we were wrong. I met you in the summer. Our love was out of control. I've been going crazy without you. I'm so alone. I met you in the if you want somebody else, who am I to judge? I met you in the summer. When you left it was cold. Said we loved one another. Guess that we were wrong. I met you in the summer. Our love was out of control. I've been going crazy without you. I'm so alone. I met you in the to be yours, and you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. I'm not coming down. Ain't nobody like you. I could go 1,000 miles as long as I'm with you. Yeah, you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. Talking about yourself and you make me smile. I can listen all night long. I tell you about the time when I first met you, listening to our favorite song. Walking on the street when you caught my eye. Something about the way you move. No, there ain't nobody like. There ain't nobody like. So lucky to be yours. And you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. I'm not coming down. Ain't nobody like you. I could go 1,000 miles as long as I'm with you. Yeah, you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. 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 Jump into the car on a Friday night. I wanna drive with you. Looking for a bar in the nearest town. I've never seen a sky so blue.
Okay, so time for the haul. My dishwasher is going. I'm sorry if you can hear that in the background. Now I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys my Walmart haul. I didn't get as much at Walmart, which is kind of surprising because they had a lot more. I do think I'm gonna go back and get more as the month goes on, especially their Legos. They had a lot of great deals on Lego sets, but a lot of the ones that were on sale had lots of quantity in, and I know that if they don't sell them after a couple weeks, they usually mark them down even farther. So if there's a lot in quantity of something, I typically will wait and try to go back and get it later in the month for a cheaper price. But obviously if there's not a lot of something, I recommend that you just go ahead and pick it up when you see it. So the first thing is a Nerf toy. I said in my Target video, Nerf toys aren't often on clearance, and so I had to pick this one up. I actually wanted to get this for him last Christmas and I never did, so I figured this would be a good one to throw in this Christmas. It wasn't on a huge sale. It was normally $19.99 and I got it for $14.99, so only a $5 discount. But like I said, Nerf stuff isn't typically on sale a lot, so I did go ahead and pick him up this Bullseye digital target. Brayden watches a lot of different YouTube channels. You guys saw in the Target haul, he got the FGTV one, and he also likes the Ninja Kids. So I didn't even know that these people have toys. I really didn't. But they had these little mystery things on sale. I think they're like $1 and change, and they're usually like $5. So I just grabbed one. I thought that I could put this like in a stocking or something like that, just like a little squishy ball, and you get one of the characters. When I go back, if there's more of these, I might grab a couple more to throw in there because he likes these little random like blind bag things like that. So then I picked up this Hungry Hippos game, and oh my goodness, how cute is this? It's the unicorn version. I thought this was so cute. I love Hungry Hippos. I always have. It's probably one of my favorite kids games to play even now. And since I have a lot of different nieces to buy for, I picked up one of these to give to one of them. This was only $9.98. And like, how cute. It was originally, I believe, $19.99. I like Target because they put the stickers on them and so I can know what the price was before. Walmart doesn't do that, so I never know what the price was before. After I leave the store, I can't remember. And also, Walmart's a lot harder to find their clearance stuff because all the tags are the same color. Where Target, they're all different, so it's easy to spot. Regular tags are white. I thought I just heard Brayden. Filming this stuff is always so sketchy, and that's why I am talking so quiet, because I don't want him to come down and see any of it. It's currently at 12:30 a.m. when I'm filming this, because I tried to wait until they are like dead asleep, like he's not coming down, you know, but I still get so nervous. All right, the very last thing we got from Walmart so I can get this stuff put away is this little Mickey Mouse drum marching band set. So it's just got like a little drum and little musical instruments in there, and this was only $4.99, I believe it was $4.98 or $4.99, and it was originally I don't know. I don't know, because Walmart doesn't tell me. It was definitely over $10, so I want to say it was 14 something. So super cheap for this, and it comes with all of these different little musical instruments. And I figured all little kids love musical things, so this is probably something that Tristan will actually enjoy. That is everything I got in this round of the toy clearance. Like I said, I'm gonna try and go back throughout the month, and if I spot anything, I will probably pick it up. And so let me know in the comments down below if you guys will want another shop with me, or if I should just do a haul. If I end up getting more things, I can just do a toy clearance haul at the end of the month of other things I have gotten, because I just don't want it to be too repetitive if I do another shop with me. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you are going to participate in the July toy clearance sale, if you start stocking up early for Christmas, or if you wait until, you know, it gets closer. Sometimes it's hard because kids change so much, you just never know if what you're getting is not going to work when it gets closer. But I think that they're at a easy age right now where it's not changing as much. Last year Brayden was like changing what he liked like every month, but I'm very happy with what I got. I think I spent, it was like $95 when I added it up between both stores, and I crossed a couple kids off my list and got a decent amount for both my boys. I mean, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.